I know it's June, but I just got my May Ipsy bag, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. So this is the bag. It's really pretty. I think this is my favorite bag so far. So first up, I have this really small eye cream. It's the Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream from First Aid Beauty. So small. Cream blush from this brand. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This is what it looks like. This is the color. Next up is a hand cream. Goat milk hand cream. I really wish they would stop sending me hand creams. I would prefer like skincare for my face or makeup. I have enough hand creams. Smells good though. Next up is a Kismet. Let's see what the card says. Polished lip plumping gloss in the shade Baby. Let's try it on. Ooh. Cute. And last but not least, we have this. I think I chose this. I don't even know why. I'm not sure why. It's a Greeny Grape Velvet Skin Drink. It says, this multitasker helps blur imperfections, smooth texture, and nourish the skin. Not bad. It's a good size as well. I like this size. So I got eye cream, cream blush, skin drink, hand cream, and this pumping gloss. Is it supposed to burn? Because it's not burning. I know plumping gloss usually burns, but this one isn't burning. Thanks for watching.